A decade ago, putting an app onto a screen required a human development team, significant capital, and a 12-month runway. The legacy software model was built on seat-based licensing fees. Companies paid a fixed monthly rate for every employee with an account, regardless of how much work the software actually completed. New AI tools have dismantled that human-dependent model. The long-term development cycle has collapsed into a single morning. A founder can validate an idea at 9 a.m., use an agent engineering platform to build the product by 9:45, and secure a paying customer before lunch. This speed is powered by vibe coding. Instead of writing manual syntax, entrepreneurs use conversational AI to generate comprehensive, production-ready codebases instantly. This collapse of friction has birthed the Ambient Business. These are profitable companies that run in the background with near zero daily input from the owner. The architecture of these companies relies on a ghost team. The organizational chart is populated by specialized AI agents instead of human workers, each handling specific roles in sales, marketing, or development. These agents operate autonomously. They identify subtasks, spin up temporary agents to execute them, and shut those processes down the moment the job is finished. Building these systems requires a specific skill set, known as founder-agent fit. The founder functions as a film director. They don't write the score or hold the camera. They orchestrate a fleet of machines and extract the best possible performance from each one. In this model, human value shifts away from execution. The machines handle the labor, while the human focuses entirely on high-level strategy and judgment. This comparison shows why the shift is so profitable. Traditional software only captured a portion of a company's IT budget. AI agents capture the much larger labor budget because they are actually doing the work humans were previously hired for. Pricing is shifting from seats to outcomes. A business might charge $1.50 for every customer support ticket an agent successfully resolves, rather than a flat monthly fee. The primary targets for these agents are boring vertical niches like logistics and insurance, industries that still rely on manual coordination, phone calls, and outdated systems. This total autonomy introduces a significant vulnerability, the agent attack surface. Through agent injection, malicious actors can bypass human judgment by poisoning the context window or the training data an autonomous agent relies on. Because these agents are granted system permissions to modify code or execute bank transfers, a single compromised instruction can be catastrophic. Without human oversight and daily operations, a poisoned memory in an autonomous agent is more destructive than a traditional phishing link. This is the math of the 100 true fans economy. When labor costs are removed, a base of just 100 customers paying $50 a month generates $60,000 in annual personal profit. These 95% profit margins allow a single person to incubate and manage multiple distinct software businesses simultaneously. Securing distribution has become the primary constraint for these solo operators. Many founders are building in public to turn their users into active co-builders. Success no longer requires massive global scale. The future belongs to localized, defensible micro-monopolies. As AI drives the cost of digital content and code towards zero, these outputs shift from assets to commodities. Market value is migrating towards physical connection, tangible presence, and original thinking that deviates from the predictable patterns of a large language model. Brands will soon use a 100% human-made label as a luxury certification, similar to organic labels on food. In the next 12 months, the most accessible niches will be claimed, and within 24 months, the early builders will have established moats in data and trust that newcomers cannot easily replicate. This is the asymmetric window currently available to solo operators. The technology is not going to stabilize. This relentless velocity is the new baseline. Those who wait for the industry to settle will likely find the most profitable opportunities already locked behind established brands.